Bruxism is the clenching or grinding of the teeth, which occurs primarily while a person is sleeping. The symptoms of bruxism are a sore, tired jaw, difficulty in opening and closing, sensitive teeth, and earaches or pain in your jaw joint. The force on your teeth is many times greater during bruxism than during normal chewing. If left untreated, you may experience flattened or worn down teeth, teeth chipped at the gum line, loose teeth, damage to the bone around your teeth, or damage to your jaw joint, the TMJ. Though all of the causes of grinding are not known, stress is often a factor. There are a variety of stress reduction techniques that may be recommended. Medication may be recommended to temporarily reduce stress or reduce pain and soreness. Spaces, worn teeth, or teeth that are out of alignment may cause grinding and clenching. Crowns, bridges, or other dental restorations can restore your bite and eliminate the pattern of grinding and clenching. One of the most common and effective ways to stop the damage caused by grinding and clenching is the use of a night guard. A night guard is a plastic device that fits over your teeth and is worn at night to protect them from the damage caused by grinding. There are many types and styles of night guards. They may be hard or soft, and they may be worn on the top teeth or the bottom teeth. To make a night guard, on the first appointment we take impressions. From these impressions, we make models of your teeth. It's on these models that the custom night guard is made. On your second appointment, we try in and carefully adjust the night guard. Without treatment, the constant clenching and grinding of your teeth can cause widespread damage. Dealing with the problem early on can restore harmony and prevent many future problems.